Data centers could raise your energy bill. Yes, really. The boom in AI is driving a surge in data centers, and with it, electricity and water use. That's why over 200 environmental groups want to pause on new builds in the US until stricter rules kick in. Meanwhile, tech giants are planning to spend hundreds of billions of dollars on AI infrastructure. Some are even looking beyond Earth. OpenAI's Sam Altman reportedly talked about sending computers into space with a rocket company. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai. They've all explored the idea. But how would that work? Data centers in space? One big advantage? There's a lot of space, literally. Data centers take up huge areas of land, so do power plants. Space also means constant solar energy. No clouds, no night, no seasons. Cooling is another factor. On Earth, cooling servers uses massive amounts of water. In space, the cold environment does that naturally. And then there's emissions. Running on solar energy means the data centers would be producing close to zero emissions in space. Researchers in Singapore propose swarms of satellites in low Earth orbit acting like a cloud system. They would share computing, storage and traffic. Europe's Ascent project, UAE's Madari Space and China are already testing prototypes. So, problem solved? Not quite. The downsides. While data centers in space may not produce carbon emissions on Earth, the rockets that get them there do. Europe's Ascent project says space data centers are only greener if rocket emissions drop tenfold. It's not clear if or when that's possible. Maintenance is another issue. Repairs in orbits are tough, and space weather, like solar flares, could disrupt operations. Then there's space debris. Millions of objects already orbit Earth. Experts warn that collisions could knock out critical systems, like GPS. And so far, there's no real solution to clean up that junk. And if the AI bubble bursts, these projects could become billion-dollar junk. Take OpenAI, for example. The company has committed almost $600 billion in new computing deals, yet only expects about $13 billion in revenue this year. Still, believers argue that leaving Earth might be necessary because environmental impacts are already visible. The pressure is real. Data center power demand will jump 165% by 2030, according to Goldman Sachs. In Chile, Google had to redesign a $200 million data center after backlash over plans to use over 7 million liters of water a day during a drought. So, what do you think? Could space data centers be the future, or is this just another tech fantasy? Let us know in the comments.